welcome to camelbacktrading.org. This is the review of May 13th, 2026. Using our proprietary Camelback TradingView market profile, let's review today's price action and look at what is ahead for tomorrow. The day started with an inventory correction. Even though the ES took the overnight low and both the NQ and ES dipped below yesterday's value area high, buyers demonstrated their strength and reclaimed this level. This was a key nuance telling us the buyers wanted to win value today. By C period, both indices had taken the initial balance and since then defended one-time framing up, reaching new all-time highs. Value at the end of the day was totally higher for both indices, and the final scores were owned by the bulls. Both sessions resulted in double distribution days. While we made new all-time highs with more than average ranges, volume remained below average. This low volume at highs is common and should not surprise us. It is not an indication that the market is going to roll over. We use the market-generated information and profile structure to tell us if and when the market is shifting. To put things into perspective, for the trend to turn around, the daily first needs to be placed to down, which requires it to first move into balance. We saw the bulls allow a brief move into balance recently, but they did not spend much time there before making new highs today. This demonstrates exactly how strong this market currently is. While the market is arguably too long, the only thing that can give us a hint of a change is the market-generated information and how it evolves each day. This requires patience to wait for the market to show its hand. Sometimes we get a clear lead right before the open, and other times we must wait for the first hour of trade to get an indication. Regarding the plan for tomorrow, value progression remains our key driver. Having the value area high on both indices at the highs of the day will require the bulls to gap up in order to continue the uptrend more easily. Opening inside value is always a call for precaution as things can get choppy, though bulls have the distribution limits to use as support. The only option for the bears is to fight for the value area low and then target today's low to put the daily back into balance. Pay close attention to how we open tomorrow versus today's value area. In summary, the market remains in a position of strength, but the rapid departure from balance suggests we must remain vigilant. Avoid entering the session with a rigid bias. Instead, let the market profile and the MGI guide your setups. Don't start with a bias. Let the data guide you. To get the full report, including all the specific price levels and key zones mentioned today, be sure to read the full review at our Substack. If you are going to buy an account with Tradeify, use code CB2724 to help us donate to St. Jude's Hospital. You can also get this education daily inside the Camelback Trading Room, including our daily webinar and our custom market profile for TradingView. Join us at camelbacktrading.org. Be safe and trade well.